Feeling like I could go refrontolo. I could go a plate of pasta. Oh, I've never ridden uphill at such a cadence ever. It's great. Someone should tell Bill. Hang on, hang on. Look at that. Giorgio's not too far back, holding his own. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna nail him, eh? Bring him back. Bring back the breakaway. Number 6. And we're still going. I guess we're gonna go up to there. Would you believe that was Giorgio? He came back to me, but I held him off. Have a look at that. Molinetto della Croda. Nice duck over there. And there's the beautiful waterfalls, and there's the windmill. Sometimes this area is covered in snow. You can walk all the way up to there and have a look at the lake, I guess, but I got cycling shoes on, I can't be bothered. A proper watermill working. Wow. Don't get to see that in Gamaraka, do you, Frank? Not on the Torrens. Wow. Oh, the watermill's turning, and yeah, it's quite fascinating. I don't know how old it is. Maybe it'll have to be 18th century, obviously. You look at the building itself. Nice little building. Okay, what's just up here? Oops. Getting rather sick of this camera sitting on my head. Nice easy section through here. We had a short section of 13 back there straight after that mill. Jeez. Oop. Look at that. Through here. Nice carpet of vineyards, or vines, sorry. There's the man. I've left it on the 50. Oh, cop that. Very nice. Hello, buongiorno. Very nice. Sinistra, left. Here comes the motorbikes. Fair few of them. Bloody, what a smell. Zuel di là and Zuel di qua. There's, see, there's, oh, there must be about 30, 40 Vespers coming through. Hello. Salute. Here we go. We're on to them. Bolina. Ooh. Faro. Well, there's the rest of them. I got told to come back. We're passing a few of them. La Bella, whatever that is, never heard of it. Is that how it goes? Destra, this is right. Bye. This is the finish. Campione. And there's Georgia crossing the finishing line. This is the juniors race today. No, Garmin. Ciao, salute. So it's a nice setup for the juniors, eh? Roads all closed off. They're doing 5 laps. We're back in Combai, whatever. Nice little town, old Combai. Man, I'm hungry. It's only 11:45. We ate well last night and I'm still bloody hungry. It's what this air does to you. And there's more of these roses. Oh, incredible. Ah, look at that. Wow. There was one garden along the road that was so well manicured. Just over 1,000 metres of climbing in 55 k's. Not bad.